Error 503, or service unavailable, in Minecraft means Mojang's servers are temporarily unable to handle your request. This usually happens when you try to log in, join a server, access realms, or use the marketplace. Think of it like a busy signal. The server is overloaded, undergoing maintenance, or experiencing other issues, preventing you from connecting. This isn't typically a problem with your game files, but rather a temporary issue on Mojang's end. As of November 2025, this error is less frequent than in previous years due to infrastructure improvements, but it can still occur during peak usage times or major updates. While error 503 is a server-side issue, there are steps you can try. First, check Mojang's status page at status.mojang.com to see if there are known outages. If servers are down, the best solution is to wait and try again later. You can also try restarting your game and your internet router. For mobile devices, ensure your app is up to date. While VPNs are sometimes suggested, they aren't a guaranteed fix. Remember, the error usually resolves itself once Mojang's servers recover, so patience is key. Because it's server-side, fixes on your end are often only temporary.